Okay, today we're gonna dive deep, and I mean deep, into the ocean to meet a creature that basically laughs in the face of physics and biology. So, whatever you think a shrimp is, just forget it. We're talking about the mantis shrimp. Now, I know what you're thinking. The most violent creature? That's gotta be a great white shark, right? Or maybe some kind of giant squid. Nope. That title, believe it or not, belongs to a little guy that can fit right in the palm of your hand. But as you're about to see, this is absolutely no ordinary shrimp. So, what gives it this fearsome reputation? Well, it all starts with its weapon of choice. It has this pair of super-powered club-like arms. And when I say fast, that's a massive understatement. This thing unleashes one of the single quickest, most powerful strikes in the entire animal kingdom. We're talking about a movement so unbelievably rapid, your brain wouldn't even have time to see it happen. It's just gone. So how fast are we talking? Get this, the acceleration of its little club is comparable to a fired .22 caliber bullet. Yeah, a bullet. But it gets even crazier. The strike is so fast, it literally boils the water around it, creating these tiny imploding bubbles. And when those bubbles collapse, they release a second shockwave, a sonic blast that can stun or even kill its prey, even if the punch misses. And this isn't just some lab measurement. This is a real-world problem. Aquarium keepers have learned this the hard way. You need seriously specialized, reinforced tanks to house these things, or you might just come home to a very shattered, very wet mess on your floor. But look, as insane as that punch is, it's only half the story. The mantis shrimp's other superpower is honestly maybe even more incredible, and it has everything to do with how it sees reality itself. Think about how we see the world for a second. We humans have 3 types of color-receptive cones in our eyes. 3. That's the basis for all the color we see. Now look at the mantis shrimp. It has 16. 16! That is more than 5 times the biological hardware we use to paint our picture of the world. So to put that in perspective, our vision is called trichromatic. Every single color you've ever seen, every beautiful sunset, every piece of art, it's all just a combination of signals from our red, green, and blue cones. That's it. That's our whole visual world. The mantis shrimp, on the other hand, it's got what they call hexadecatraumatic vision. It sees the world through 16 distinct color channels. This means it's seeing colors we can't even begin to imagine. It can also see light that's completely invisible to us, like ultraviolet and polarized light. It is literally seeing a whole different layer of reality. But an ability this incredible brings with it a really deep biological puzzle, and it's one that has scientists completely fascinated. This is the big question, right? How can a creature with such a tiny, relatively simple brain possibly process that much visual information? I mean, for a human brain, that would be an overwhelming flood of data. So what in the world is the mantis shrimp doing with it all? And the craziest part is, the answer is, we don't fully know yet. The exact way its unique vision works is still a huge mystery that's being researched right now. And hey, if we can unlock the secrets of its eyes, it could lead to amazing breakthroughs in things like building better cameras or even new ways to detect diseases. So when you put it all together, you combine this devastating physical power with its, frankly, otherworldly way of seeing things, you get a creature that feels like it's straight out of science fiction. So here you have it. A tiny warrior that punches with the force of a bullet and sees a world painted in an impossible spectrum of colors. The mantis shrimp isn't just the ocean's most violent creature. It is a living, breathing marvel that reminds us just how much we still have to learn about the incredible and sometimes just plain weird life hiding right here on our own planet.